Hello students, this is Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can learn mathematics through learning concepts. In the previous videos, we have seen that first the number system started. The ancient people started to count using sticks. When the cows or animals or something went for grazing and returned, they kept for each cow one stick and they started counting. The same method the next civilization also followed. That means what? No, they started to draw the same sticks patterns in a piece of wood or in a piece of bone or something what available. They had drawn that marks that they named it as tally marks also. That means the same thing only. They kept sticks in the first period, they had drawn in the second period. Then came third period, they kept some symbols like triangle, circle, something, and they made it as 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Suppose on digits over, a equal to 1, b, for example I am saying a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3, like that it went on. Z up to z equal to 26. Now to recycle, what they did, AA equal to 27, AB equal to 28, like that they went up to AZ equal to 52. So like that they framed their own number system that we have seen in the previous video. Now we are going to see a new number system which gave way for our number system also. What is that? Here they used base 2. What is it? Only two symbols, ukasar and urapon. Urapon equal to 1 and ukasar equal to 2. They used only these two symbols. With the help of this, they made the whole number system. Shall we go deeper and see what does it mean, how they used and all those things? Shall we see? Yes, we'll go to the video. Okay students, now let us go deep into Gumulgal number system which evolved in Australia. That means regions like Australia, that nearby regions of Australia, this system were used first. Not by a single person or something, it is used by the whole community and it is called civilization. Okay, now what they used in the groups of two. Only two groups they used. That means now what we are using, base 10 number system, 0 to 9 we are using, 10 numbers are there. Again it repeats like that. The same manner here also they are using 2. What is that number system? For 1 they use the word urapon, urapon. Next for number 2 they use the word ukasar, ukasar. It is not vu, ukasar, like that they used. Then for 3 what they did is they added these two, wrote like this. What is that? Ukasar plus urapon. I will write only 2 letters. Okay. Then for 4 what they would have written, ukasar plus ukasar. Okay. Then for 5 they would have written ukasar plus urapon, number 1. So 2 plus 1, like this they wrote. Then for 6 they would have written, what is for 6? It is ukasar plus ukasar plus ukasar. Now there is a note from the book, from our textbook, that they were used more than 6 something as ras. That means one group they made it as ras. What does it mean? More than 6. So up to 6 objects only they are able to count using this one. More than that they used ras. That means maybe 6 they would have grouped as ras, and ras plus uk plus uk plus uk, like that. Ukasar plus ukasar plus ukasar they would have done. So there is no full evidence of this and all, but they use this type of system. This system is frequently used in maths education to demonstrate early practical non-decimal tally methods. Now why we are studying this and all? To show that the olden people used math symbols, they used education, they used, but what is that? They used without any decimals and without any tally marks or anything. In this there is no tally marks. So this is the middle system. So our system is having decimals, previous system is having tally marks and counting. Both are not there. They have lived in a middle age. That is called Gumulgal system. So in Gumulgal system they used only two symbols, not numbers. 1 and 2, we only know how they were like that, but they don't know numbers. They used some symbols, Urapan and Ukasar. Okay, now using Urapan and Ukasas, can they write for number 25? Yes, surely they have tried. That is the problem for them. 25, how they have tried means 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Like this, they have to go on writing how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 twos and 1. So that is the problem. So this is the limitation, no? So for this number system, why it doesn't exist till now? Because they cannot survive with this number system when the numbers go on high. Suppose there are 1300 cows or some articles or something they want to count. How they will keep so many pebbles or some symbols only they are using, no, for 2 1 symbol and for 3 1 symbol. So how they can do means this is the problem with the Gumulgal system. Now this number system, old number system, that is this is a very old number system. What they found that time was very difficult. It's too difficult for carrying so many pebbles or objects or some symbols, and it is too confusing also. So some mistakes will happen often. That's why they are going on from base 2, no, from base 2 they evolved to base 5, then they evolved to base 10. Okay, with this we will wind up the Gumulgal number system, and let us see the Egyptian number system in the next video. Till meeting you in the next video, bye from your Pragasam sir.